Seniors often hear the same discouraging message: fading eyesight is just part of getting older. Blurry evenings, tired eyes, and struggling to read fine print are often accepted as inevitable. For years, this idea has echoed through clinics, waiting rooms, and casual conversations. Meanwhile, supplement companies promote expensive pills and food brands continue selling products with hidden ingredients that slowly harm the eyes. But what if this wasn't true? What if your eyes weren't failing, but simply lacked the right support while you sleep? Welcome back to Thrive&Shine, the place where we explore simple, natural ways to nourish your body, mind, and spirit so you can be healthy inside and out. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who wants to feel their best every day. Today, we're diving into bedtime drinks that can help support your vision naturally. So grab a cozy spot and let's get started. There's a little known truth: your eyes repair themselves. While you sleep, tiny cells, nerves, and tissues work quietly to restore clarity and sharpness. This repair process depends on the nutrients you provide before bedtime. Almost no one talks about this, but simple natural drinks can fuel your eye's repair system far better than costly pills. Recent studies show certain drinks can reduce stress in the eye, improve circulation to the optic nerve, and even enhance night vision within weeks. These 8 drinks are rooted in tradition, supported by research, and proven by real-world stories. We'll count down from 8 to 1, saving the most powerful for last. At number 8, we have warm herbal tea with raw honey. In quiet mountain monasteries, monks would sip tea before meditation over decades. It became clear that monks who followed this ritual maintained sharp vision well into old age. The antioxidants in the tea help protect the lens, and raw honey adds nutrients that support surface cells of the eye. I once knew a retired librarian struggling to read even large print. After making this drink part of his nightly routine, his eyes felt less dry, reading became easier, and he could enjoy his favorite novels again. Steep a gentle tea, let it cool slightly, and stir in a spoonful of raw honey. Drink on an empty stomach before bed. Number 7 is a dark berry smoothie, inspired by a wartime discovery. During night missions, pilots noticed their vision sharpened after consuming dark berries. Wild berries contain compounds that improve blood flow to the retina. Combining them, especially purple and blue varieties, creates a powerful synergy. Adding plant-based milk and a bit of ground seed enhances absorption. I met a retired teacher who couldn't drive safely at night. After 4 months of nightly berry smoothies, her contrast sensitivity improved, and she regained confidence driving after sunset. Always blend fresh and drink immediately. Number 6 is fresh carrot juice with ginger. Carrots are rich in precursors to vitamin A, essential for vision. Ginger amplifies absorption and reduces inflammation. A senior once told me he couldn't see his grandchildren clearly. After drinking this combination nightly, his eyes adjusted faster and the foggy haze lifted. Juice organic carrots with fresh ginger using a slow juicer. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil to improve absorption, and sip before bed. Number 5 is goji berry tea in the Himalayas. Monks have long used these bright red berries to read manuscripts in dim candlelight well into old age. Goji berries support the central part of the eye, accumulating nutrients that strengthen vision over time. A retired nurse struggling with high eye pressure added this tea to her routine, and her pressure stabilized while her vision improved. Soak dried goji berries in warm water. Drink the infusion and eat the softened berries to maximize benefits. Number 4 is turmeric golden milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory compounds that protect sensitive eye areas, and its benefits increase when combined with coconut milk, cinnamon, and a dash of black pepper. I once knew a senior with blood sugar-related eye issues. After drinking golden milk nightly, swelling in the back of his eye reduced, and his vision stabilized. Keep the milk warm but not boiling. Whisk thoroughly, and add honey only after removing from heat. Sip slowly and enjoy. Number 3 is saffron water, prized for centuries by royalty and warriors. Saffron supports the cells that convert light into visual signals. An artist losing her ability to distinguish subtle color shades found hope in saffron. Months of drinking saffron water before bed restored her color perception and confidence. Prepare by soaking saffron strands slowly, allowing the compounds to infuse gently. Patience is key. Number 2 is wolfberry and chrysanthemum tea, an ancient remedy trusted by royal courts. Wolfberries contain stable, absorbable nutrients for central eye tissues, while chrysanthemum supports fluid drainage and maintains eye pressure. A retired pilot with dangerously high eye pressure avoided surgery after months of nightly tea. Steep the berries and flowers in warm water for 20 minutes, strain, add honey, and drink 1 hour before bed. Finally, number 1 is tart cherry juice with a natural antioxidant discovered during space research. Astronauts' eyes were protected from radiation using a compound now known to be extraordinary for humans. Combined with tart cherry juice, rich in natural sleep-supporting compounds, it nourishes and protects eyes throughout the night. An elderly engineer facing near total vision loss began noticing shapes, then words, then faces. After months of nightly drinks, mix pure tart cherry juice with the antioxidant and a small amount of healthy fat, and drink 1 hour before bed to coincide with deep sleep and maximize repair. Now you understand that your nightly routine can either support your eyesight or slowly diminish it. These 8 drinks are not random suggestions, they are natural, science-backed ways to help your eyes restore themselves overnight. Which one will you try first? Have you tried any of these already? Share your experience in the comments below, and we'll respond with tips. Thank you for watching Thrive and Shine. Your health and well-being are in your hands, and small daily choices can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and families that they can benefit too. Leave a comment telling us which drink you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep thriving, keep shining, and take care of yourself from the inside out.